Yeah. I'm gonna be the sheriff. Yes! Haha! Get new.
Okay, ito na. 3, 2, 1. God, it's real. Sandali lang, jumper.
Ay, okay.
Jumper dyan. Jumper lang ha. Isa lang ha. Isa lang. Wala kayong mali. Susumbong kita sa tatay ko.
Get new. What? Aray! Oo na. Oo na nga! Oo tayo mamaya, no? Malo ka ng malakas. Oo na.
Okay pala kayo ng clue. Kumanya na sa class.
Oo na. Bumalik ka na dun. No, malo ka, ha? No. Oo na nga. Upo ka na dun. Nag-record tayo. Oo na. Balik dun. Oo na nga. Mas ka dito. Diyan ka.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Ito na, next na clue na. Ready na kayo? Jackie, please give the clue. Ito na, ang clue number 1. Ang unang pelikula na Robin at Princess Bella. Sinasabi ko na nga ba, ikaw may pakanalo. Tigilan mo na. Sa akin, wala akong shut up. Yung pera ko, charge ka na naman. Nalito ka rin, gusto lang naman kitang kausapin eh. Gusto mo umakausap, tawag sa telepono, pwede na makausap tuan. Ginagawa ng mga organized tao. Hindi mo pinagyod ko eh. Mayaman ako, at itab ako. Kung di mo yung natanggap, bahala ka. Pero kung ayan, ang kapag ko naman,
Batang sa
Oh.
Why? Why? No. Why? No? Sabihin mo.
Ang haba nun sa pelikula pala. No, grabe, ang galing. Short of film. Hindi mo si Jason. Short of film. Oh, in character pa din. Pati si Kulot. Good job, kids. Walang bumilitaw. Wala. Eto na, players, taas ang kamay. Pwede na kayong sumagot. 3, 2,
Huwag ka.
No. Alright.
Oo. Oo na, points na. 2 points ka na.
I want my first class. It's a conversation. Class. Dalawa lang yung class ko kasi online na yung after. Ito yung subject of myself. Attendant. Present miss. Our activity here is to describe ourselves. Ito yung traits ko. So, and I'm meeting with my dear friend, Abby. Jake, say hi, say hi. Hi guys, join Santagon. We're recruiting. Doing online class.
Oo.
Papasok ako kung pare. Hindi ko pa rin nangyari, pero it's 1:30 already. It's ready to leave. Thank you for watching.
In LA, so I'm going to do an Erewhon review. This is the Haley Bieber smoothie, and it's actually like the only thing I've tried before. It's really good, and I know a lot of people complain about the price, but honestly, like, Kale is around the same price. These are kind of healthy ingredients, so I don't think it's too bad. I got a combo plate, and I just kind of chose things that I've seen on TikTok that seem to be super popular. So I got buffalo cauliflower, which I love buffalo cauliflower, so I'm super excited. I have high hopes for that. And I got mac and cheese, and I think this is like the kale and white bean salad or some shit like that. Honestly, smells pretty good. So we're gonna try the cauliflower first. This isn't bad, but I would say it's pretty average. Like, I've definitely had better. And if you guys hear my jaw cracking, I have TMJ, so just ignore that. But then we've got mac and cheese. Let's see. I think this is pretty pretty good. I like this more. Now the white bean salad, this sounds pretty healthy, so I mean, it's good.
Yes! Payback.
That's actually really good. Honestly, it's a pretty good lunch. Like, I don't regret it at all, and I'd probably get it again. So this was a win. I'm in LA, so of course I have to see you guys. So get ready with me at SKBomb.com.
Ngayon, nag-isipin ko, ayun na ako. At hindi ko na hindi nyo nag-isopre, hindi kayo nagkahiwalay, hindi nyo makikilala. Imagine ito kung hindi kayo nag-away isang linggo. Wait, from that relationship, let you tell her what? Oh my gosh, no.
Tayo ah. Gusto mo?
So, iniiwanan kami, naalala namin, ano pag sa akin, ang takulit, sa'yo, saan naman ba yun?
Naginipan?
Oh,
Ano naman
kung sa pala, Texas na ate, ang pinakasakinig mo.
Parang kilala naman natin.
Pero sino nag-ex yan?
Yun eh, yung ano, kapangalan ng
Sino ka? Oh my God, ba't di mo sabi ko? Ano yung nakakamo ko?
Ay, grabe! Sisa!
Ayun? Oo, sabi na niya. Dapat si Ann, pero binigil niya ako. Balik natin sa film.
Ah?
So, kaya nga sila tapos hindi ko ako. Kaya panahon, masabi, ayaw niya umilip.
Other than that,
Pwede ba yung
friend.
di ba ako kaibigan sa magkakilala?
No, let's hang out. Hindi naman kayo.
Hi, Sam. Sam? Si Ann. Nice. Kailangan tayo last. Nice to meet you. Kuya Joe. Hi, Sam. Kami ka sino ka ba? Sorry, I never said. Nagawin kayo sa amin. Siya ka na siya?
Yes.
Hindi ko di sa amin ngayon. Walang iba kundi si Jokas pa yung Star Magic. Oo, sige. That's pa sa akin.
Ano, ate. Wala. Next. Natin mamaya ko.
I'm gonna prove you. Yeah! What? Nakasunod. Tingnan ko.
Kayo na-discover yung pinuho kayo ng lalaki.
The worst ways to die in episode
Die.
Soy is bad for you. It makes man less manly and it's bad for the environment.
I'm so tired of hearing all the widespread misinformation and fear mongering around soy. I mean, let's face it, soybean is a legume, like a kidney bean or a white bean. Yes, it contains isoflavones, a type of plant estrogen which functions like that it does not have any negative effects on hormones. In fact,
No!
soy can be really healthy. It's a complete protein. It contains minerals like copper, iron, or calcium, and fermented soy products like tempeh can even improve your gut health. But what about the deforestation of the animal for planting soy? Well, 98% of it is used for animal agriculture. And if you check the labels of soy products, at least here in Germany, you will see that the vast majority comes from Europe. So what now? You don't have to be afraid of this.
Yung mga tao na nagtatanong na,
Briefings. Mr. Afterglow. Afterglow Coral is the currency you get for doing jobs. And with this currency, you can go to the exchange shop and buy more extra things. But please do not do this, because with the same currency, you're also able to buy duplicates for characters, even duplicates for limited 5-star characters. Number 2, please never use Astrite on the standard banner. Astrite is the gacha currency, which you could use for all banners, characters, or weapons. But this is a classic beginner mistake. There's limited banners and standard banners. Astrite should only be used on the limited banners. For the standard banner, you have lustrous tides, which is currency you can only use on the standard banner and beginner banner.
Oh my god, Daichi won. Well, that's it for today. What? I guess eh. Joke lang, hindi pa naman tapos. Hindi pa naman 10, hindi ka pa naman nakaka-10 ah. 4 pa ikaw, 4. Mama, man, kill man. Wait.
Some of you think that this is molded chocolate. I'm sure I guys make
Peter. Like, what's a bad job? You're not looking for the signs in a haunted glove. Sounds hot. I can't think if it was honest.
you never you can usually boost or use boost. I go to our crickets because they're rich in vitamins. I would even say one of the best. Let's try some stuff like this.
Energizer plus a syrup. So I have a spicy sweet chili sauce that I'm going to be eating with these.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
So I have some green almonds here. This is what I'll do is wait. Oo, ito booster naman. Oo.
Yan.
Ito naman.
Nyo, my life. O,
It's
tatlo.
my-
Kayo po si Ma'am Vilma. Ayan.
Meron, pero update na.
Cameraman.
Ay, ikaw yung puno. Kahit sa likod, may puno sa likod. Ikaw yung puno. Ayan. Paano mag-puno?
Thursday.
Di ba puno pero maganda pa.
Di ba? Very good, children. Ah, Kuya Jack. Okay, next poster po na. Ay! O, Ate Lord. Si Ate Marian.
Ano na, dalawa. Si Kulot at saka si Jace, si Argus at saka si Kels.
Yan.
Okay? Ayun na.
Yes! I'm gonna win this game and I'm gonna win.
Very
And then also, you follow me.
Ay, naman. Oo. O sige, sino sa selfie? Argus, ikaw sa selfie, Argus. O ano yung cellphone ko niya?
So, if you win this game, I'm gonna win. But if I win, I win.
very
Sige, ano ka? Ako ano to, Argus?
Later pa mag-shop. Ay, kaya ito naman next poster.
Ayan. Ay, ito! Showtime family, let's go!
Ayan na. Ako si Kuya Ayon. Ako po si Kuya Chong.
O sige, ako si Kuya Jukes.
Ako si Ate Ann. Ako po si Meme Bay. Sige, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ito, one post.
Ayan. Next poster po tayo. Next poster, children.
Ay, wala.
Okay. Si Koki na si
O,
Koki.
sinabi ni kita si Koki. Ay, si Koki na si Argus.
Ako na lang yung nasa likod, spaceship.
Please, don't kill me, please. No, like she won. Well, sige pa nga po. Okay, last one na. Last one na. Last one na ko. Nagda-10 points na. Abo.
Ang pa.
Very good. May shout out to si Ate Kelsey ko.
Shout out po sa mga lola ko po.
Diba?
O, sabay-sabay nyo pati ng Happy Mother's Day ang mga mamis in 3, 2, 1, go! O, sabay nyo I love you in 3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you so much. Guys, ang gagaling din yung mag-posing.
Oo, nakaka-proud kayo. Alam nyo ba yun?
Yes, sino kaya ang nanalo? Gamitin ang hashtag.
Minus especially for you na.
Oh my god, I'm stranded. Yes! I'm gonna win this game! Ay? Okay. Okay na, if you win this game, you're gonna win, ha? If I win, who will win?
Me, Daddy. Comment below. Guys,
Hmm?
I comment below.
Okay.
Daddy.
Okay.
Kunyari nag-vocalize ka, pero inaamoy mo talaga kung nandun pa yung kinain natin.
I smell the tinola.
Kung mabanda. Ano to yung sausawang toyo? Dagat ang naging pagitan sa kanilang pagmamahalan. Sinubukan mang tumawid, pagduda at nagpalubog sa kanilang pag-iibigan. Yan ang ating
Especially for you. Isang special couple na magbabahagi ng kanilang damdamin at kwento ngayong araw.
At ang ating searcher ay magkakaroon ng panibagong kaibigan na mas makikilala niya sa salud.
Salud. Ano bang klaseng restaurant?
Salud.
Salud.
Salud. Mga tela yung pagkain. Mga damit.
Walang mali siya.
Yes!
Ang pinanindigan ng isa hanggang maghiwalay at sa isa't isa ay dumistansya. Here's our special couple for today.
Yeah, 9 points na ako. If I win, I win.
Comment below. Daddy with Daddy.
Yeah.
Comment below.
Yeah. Final game na to, ha?
No.
Just
Wow. No! Okay, my brother one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and for more videos. Bye bye. Yeah, my brother one. I hate that.